My faves. Hey, God bless the person that introduced this combo. You see this combo? Granola and yogurt. Ah, the taste, the sweetness. Mwah, madre me. The day I made this granola, I plan to keep it, be using it small, small. But longer throat, no greeny. This thing sweet. Kai! Oh, if you have not tried this combo, you are missing a lot. You are missing a lot. This granola self didn't even stay up to 1 week. It didn't even stay up to 4 days. The thing just finished because longer throat no gree me. Allow this granola less sweet with the yogurt. So let me tell you how I made it. So I have my ingredients here, my oats, my seeds. See, guys, especially my ladies in this channel, it's high time. This is 2026, so it's high time you started incorporating seeds to your meal. Find a way to incorporate seeds to your meal. It helps a lot. It helps your hormone. Don't say that you're not married or you're not trying for pregnancy. It helps. Start incorporating seeds. Mm. So these are the seeds I used. I use flaxseed, sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, sesame seed, coconut flakes, and raisins. You can add even cashew nuts. You can add cashew nuts, any seed of your choice. Now I mashed the banana. Please don't mind these bananas. I don't know why they're looking like that. Don't mind the bananas. So mash your bananas, add it to your bowl, and add in your oats. Mix everything together. I added my vanilla flavor for some flavor. Mix it very well. Then introduce your seeds. All the seeds I've listed. Add the seeds and mix thoroughly. Mix well so that everything can combine very well with all the ingredients. You gotta go now. Mix everything well. Now I want to give my honest review. This is my first time trying this granola, even without oven or air fryer. Now I want to give my honest review in case you want to do yours at home. And I think you should start doing yours at home. It's actually quite cheaper. Do you know how much they sell granola in the store? So try making your own. It will be cheaper for you, and you can also bring in whatever seeds or nuts you want to add to it. You gotta go now. Now, the honest review I said I want to give is I use the oats I have is not rolled oats. So they have two types of oats actually. The one they call so the rolled oats is what we are supposed to make use of, or I'm supposed to make use of rather, but this is the one I have. So please, in case you want to make yours, use rolled oats. Now, transfer it to your pan. After mixing, transfer everything to your pan on a very low medium heat and stir consistently. Please don't step aside once you are at this stage, because if you do, by the time you get back to your kitchen, this thing would have burnt. So please don't step out. Stir consistently, and once it starts browning, you know that it's ready. Don't allow it totally, get brownish, or well, it still depends on the no quantity of bananas you used. So that is basically it. So add in your flakes, your coconut flakes, and your raisins, and any other thing you can add. At this point, you can even add your cashew nuts and any other nuts you have or you decide to add. Are you seeing this thing now? Almost since I learned this thing, I'm not buying again. I'm not buying store-bought again. This is far more better. This is far more better. See me enjoying my own now. Oh yeah, try your own. See you. Bye bye.